With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. The question says that oxygen and hydrogen gas are produced at anode and cathode during the electrolysis of fairly concentration aqueous solution of. Okay, now here we are given with the 4 solutions and we have to see that among these 4 solutions which solution will produce oxygen and hydrogen gas at anode and cathode. Okay, so first we have is K2SO4. First is our K2SO4. The possible ions, or we can say the possible release, that what ions can be produced from K2SO4 is, that is, first is K positive, SO4, 2 negative, H positive and OH negative. Okay, so in this case what will happen? In this case hydrogen ion will get reduced first, then the potassium ion. Why hydrogen ion? Because hydrogen ion is the standard hydrogen electrode with the potential is equal to 0.0, or we can say E naught H2 H positive is greater than the E naught of K positive to K, because for this the value is 0.0 and for the K positive to K the value is minus 2.92. So if we compare SO4 2 negative and the OH negative. Okay, if we compare both these cases, then in these cases the OH negative will be oxidized. Why OH negative will be oxidized? Because the oxidation potential of OH negative is higher than the SO4 2 negative. For OH negative the value is 1.229, approximate about 1.229 plus, and for SO4 2 negative we have the value plus 0.17. Okay, so the oxidation potential of OH, this is for OH negative and this is for SO4 2 minus, so that's why OH negative will be oxidized. So now let's write the reactions. Okay, at anode what will happen? At anode what happens is oxidation. Okay, so here what it will be, at anode it will be H2O to half O2 plus 2H positive, right? And for cathode the reaction will be 2H positive plus 2 electron is converted to the H2. So here we can see that there is the release of oxygen at anode and hydrogen at cathode due to their difference in the reduction potentials. Okay, because here the reduction potential is greater for hydrogen and here the value is greater for OH negative. So our first option is correct. Our first option is correct because it releases oxygen and hydrogen. Now our second option is AgNO3. AgNO3. Second is AgNO3. Okay, in case of AgNO3 the ions will be Ag plus NO3 minus H plus OH minus. Okay, in this case, but what happens is at cathode there will be the reduction of Ag plus, because for Ag plus the E naught value is 0.80, but for hydrogen it was 0.0. So here that what will happen, the Ag plus will, the reduction of Ag plus, okay, at cathode. So it will be Ag plus electron to Ag solid. So our this option is incorrect because at cathode we need the hydrogen gas, but there is no release of hydrogen gas. So this is incorrect. Okay, second option is incorrect. Now the third case is H2SO4. 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 In this case we can have H positive, SO4 2 negative and H2O. Okay, now at cathode we know that hydrogen ion will undergo reduction because thus there is no other ion in comparison to hydrogen ion, and the reduction potential for hydrogen is 0.0 due to standard hydrogen electrode. So it will be 2H positive plus 2 electron to hydrogen. Okay, but if we write the reaction at anode, now at anode we have SO4 2 negative or H2O, or we can say OH negative, then we know that OH negative ion will undergo oxidation. Why? Because the oxidation potential, or we can say the potential value of OH negative is greater for OH negative than SO4. For SO4 2 negative we have plus 0.17, for OH negative we have plus 1.229. So it will get oxidized, or we can say it will undergo oxidation. So it will be H2O half O2 plus 2H positive. Okay, so in this case also we have hydrogen and oxygen at cathode and anode respectively. So our third option is also correct. Now last we have is NaOH. NaOH. In case of NaOH we have Na plus and OH negative. Okay, but here also what will happen during the electrolysis, we will have the release of O2 and H2 gas, because Na positive reduction potential is lower than the reduction potential of hydrogen. Okay, for Na positive E0 value is approx minus 2.71, and for hydrogen it is, we know that it is 0.0. Okay, it is for Na and it is for hydrogen. Okay, so here also we will get the oxygen and hydrogen gas respectively at anode and cathode. So our fourth option is also correct. And please remember one thing, the values considered for the E0 are taken as the standard electrode potentials at 25 degrees Celsius. These all values have been measured at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so our correct answer is K2SO4, H2SO4 and NaOH. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.